Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to find drafts on Instagram or save drafts layouts in gallery. So let's head over to it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, just head over to your story section or the plus icon right here. If you have any draft, you will find it just in here. In your reel section, if you go there, you will find there is a two draft on the top left corner, and here are the drafts. And if you just head over to them, you can also save them and edit them. So if you want to see your story drafts, just go to story section, and here just uh, go back to this camera section, and in here you will find the drafts on the top left. Tap on it, and here, as there is no draft I have saved yet, there's no draft, but if you have saved them, you will find them in here. So yeah, this is how you can just find drafts on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.